Namaste, Shri Matre Namaha. Abundance is a state of consciousness, it's a way of life, it's how we are blessed without any holding back from the divine. That's what I'd say. The only thing that we lack is our awareness and gratitude towards the gifts that we have received in many ways, in many styles, in many forms. So, abundance is the magnet which attracts more and more on itself when one is grateful, when one is very much in the feeling of satiety. So, satiety and gratitude both are the attractors of abundance in our life. When we are satiated, we are at rest with ourselves. We are not racing towards anything. We do have our goals, but we know that whatever happens is for our best. So we just do the things to the best of our capacities and leave them behind. We trust, we love, and we flow. So today I have done this amazing energization process for all the things that I have, all the tools that I have, all the gifts that I have. These are amazing things that are available to us from our age old Indian traditions, from what I have learned so far, and I want to share all these tools of abundance with you today so that you can also enrich your life, you can also benefit from this uh, sacred coded informations that are not very healthily available for all. So kindly come and attend the free Zoom session today, where we will be speaking more and more about abundance, how to go around it, how to change our mindsets. And I will show you many tools that are available for us to enhance our life in many ways, to bring more wealth, have a more impactful way in which we exist on here. So, thank you very much for taking out the time to listen and see this video.